Remove the thigh liner. Remove the upper cruciate strap just above the knee. Remove the Aculine hinge screws and Aculine hinge D-ring. Position PCL Aculine hinge inserts with raised portion into the recessed pocket. Add hook. Return the frame to the initial positions on the hinge arms. Tighten Aculine hinge screws and reapply hook and loop fastener. Repeat on the opposing side. Replace the thigh liner. Replace upper cruciate strap and strap pad just above the knee. Attach the PCL strap. Trim and adjust the PCL strap pad. Adjust and trim PCL strap as needed for proper fit.